My dear students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be explaining the MBA 4th semester subject Services and Digital Marketing as prescribed by Osmania University and other universities of Telangana. We will go through the important questions and answers one by one. Let's begin with a quick revision. Unit 2 first important short question is Customer expectation. Answer. Customer expectation means what customers hope to get from a service. It includes the quality, speed, price, and behavior they expect when they use a service. Customers build expectations based on past experiences, advertisements, word of mouth, what friends or family say, brand image. If the service matches or exceeds their expectation, customers are happy. If it is below their expectation, they feel disappointed. Example. When you go to a restaurant, you expect clean place, tasty food, quick service, friendly staff. If the restaurant gives all these, you feel satisfied. If not, you may not go again. Simple trick to remember. Think what I expect is equal to what I get. If yes, happy customer. If no, unhappy customer. So, companies must understand and meet customer expectations to grow and keep customers loyal. Next important short question is Customer perception of services. Answer. Customer perception means how a customer feels and thinks about a service after experiencing it. It is based on their experience, emotions, and expectations. Perception is created through service quality, staff behavior, cleanliness and comfort, price and value, brand image. Even if the service is good, if the customer feels unhappy, the perception becomes negative. Example. Two people visit the same hospital. One is treated kindly and gets help quickly, positive perception. Another waits for hours and staff is rude, negative perception. So, it's not just what is done, but how it is experienced that matters. Easy tip to remember. Perception is equal to experience plus emotion. If both are good, positive feeling. If bad, negative feeling. Companies must give a pleasant and smooth service to create a positive perception and build trust. Next important short question is Zone of tolerance. Answer. Zone of tolerance means the acceptable range of service that a customer is okay with. It lies between two levels. 1. Desired service, what the customer wants. 2. Adequate service, what the customer will accept. If the service falls within this zone, the customer stays satisfied. If it's below, the customer may feel angry or disappointed. If it's above, the customer feels very happy. Example. You order food online and expect it in 30 minutes, desired, but are okay if it comes within 45 minutes, adequate. If it comes in 35 minutes, you are still happy, within zone. If it comes in 25 minutes, you are delighted. If it comes in 1 hour, you are upset, outside zone. Easy trick to remember. Zone is equal to between want and okay. Service inside is equal to happy. Service outside is equal to unhappy. Companies should try to stay within or above this zone to satisfy customers. Next important short question is Service encounters. Answer. A service encounter is the moment when a customer interacts with a service provider. It can happen face-to-face, on a call, through a website, or on a mobile app. These moments decide how the customer feels about the service. Even one small good or bad experience can change the customer's full opinion. Types of service encounters. Direct talking to staff. Indirect chatbots, websites. Example. You visit a bank to open an account. If the staff is polite, helps you quickly, you feel happy. If they are rude or delay things, you feel frustrated. Easy trick to remember. Every moment matters. Each small interaction creates a big impact on customer satisfaction. Businesses must train staff and improve online systems to give a smooth and friendly service experience at every touchpoint. Next important short question is: customer satisfaction. Answer. Customer satisfaction means how happy a customer is after using a product or service. It happens when the actual service meets or exceeds the customer's expectations. Satisfied customers are more likely to come back again, recommend the service to others, give positive feedback. If customers are not satisfied, they may complain, stop using the service, share negative reviews. Example. You book a cab using an app. If the cab comes on time, the driver is polite, and the ride is smooth, you are satisfied. If the cab is late and rude, you are unhappy. Easy trick to remember. Satisfaction is equal to service greater than or equal to expectation. More than expected, very satisfied. Less than expected, not satisfied. Companies must focus on service quality, communication, and timely delivery to keep customers happy and loyal. Next unit 2. Long questions. First important long question is: marketing research to understand customer expectation. Meaning, marketing research is the process of collecting and analyzing information to understand what customers expect from a product or service. It helps companies to know customers' needs, preferences, likes, dislikes, and how to improve their services. Why is it important? Customers have different expectations depending on past experiences, ads and promotions, friends' suggestions, word of mouth, price and service quality. If companies don't understand these expectations, they may provide a service that disappoints the customer, leading to complaints and loss of business. How is marketing research done? Companies use different tools and methods. 1. Surveys and feedback forms, asking customers directly about their experience. 2. Interviews, talking to customers in detail. 3. Focus groups, group discussion with selected customers. 4. Social media and online reviews, observing what customers say online. This research helps to find out what customers truly want, what problems they face, how they feel about current services. Example. Suppose a mobile network company like Jio wants to know why customers are unhappy with their data services. They conduct a survey and find that most users expect fast internet and fewer call drops. Using this research, Jio improves its network in weak areas. As a result, customer satisfaction increases, and more people start trusting the brand. Benefits of understanding customer expectation through research. Design better services. Meet or exceed expectations. Reduce complaints. Build loyalty and trust. Stay ahead of competitors. Easy trick to remember. Ask, learn, improve, succeed. When companies ask customers, they learn what's needed, they improve services, and finally, they succeed in keeping customers happy. Next important long question is: search, experience, and credence property. In services marketing, Products have three important properties that help customers decide before or after using them. 1. Search property. These are the features customers can see, touch, or compare before buying. Common in physical goods or some visible services. Example. Before buying a mobile phone, you can check its price, brand, camera quality, and features. You know what you are getting. Easy to judge before buying. 2. Experience property. These can be judged only after using the service. The customer has to experience the service to know if it's good or bad. Example. Going to a restaurant. You can't know the taste of food or service quality until you eat there. You know the quality only after trying it. 3. Credence property. These are very hard to judge even after using the service. Customers have to trust the service provider. Example. You go to a doctor for treatment. Even after the visit, you may not know if it was the best treatment. You have to believe the doctor. Based on trust and expert knowledge. Summary table. Property type when you know the quality. Example. Search before using buying clothes. Experience after using eating in hotel. Credence even after use, unsure medical treatment. Easy trick to remember. SEC is equal to C experience confidence. Search, you can see it before. Experience, you can feel it during. Credence, you need confidence, trust in expert. These three properties help marketers design services and help customers make decisions. Companies must build trust and deliver good experience to keep customers satisfied. Next important long question is consumer expectation of services. What is consumer expectation? Consumer expectation means what a customer hopes or wants from a service before using it. These expectations guide how they judge the service after using it. Two main types of expectations. 1. Desired expectation. The level of service a customer really wants. It's like a dream service. 2. Adequate expectation. The minimum level of service a customer will accept. If service goes below this, the customer feels unhappy. The space between these two levels is called the zone of tolerance, covered earlier. What influences consumer expectations? 1. Past experience, what they got before. 2. Word of mouth, what friends or family say. 3. Advertisements, what the company promises. 4. Price, higher expectation. 5. Service provider's reputation. Example. You book a train ticket using IRCTC. You expect the train to arrive on time, the seat to be clean, and staff to be helpful. If all these happen, your expectations are met. If the train is late or dirty, you feel disappointed. Why are expectations important? They help customers decide which service to choose. If expectations are met or exceeded, customers are happy and loyal. If not, they may complain or switch to competitors. Easy trick to remember. Expect, experience, evaluate. Customer expects something. Then they experience the service. Finally, they evaluate it based on the expectation. Conclusion. Understanding customer expectations helps companies deliver better service, reduce complaints, and keep customers satisfied. Smart businesses regularly study and match these expectations to stay successful. Next important long question is 4. Customer perception of services. What is customer perception? Customer perception means how a customer sees, feels, and thinks about a service after using it. It is the customer's opinion based on their experience. Even if a service is good, if the customer feels unhappy, their perception becomes negative. What affects customer perception? 1. Service quality. Was the service helpful and effective? 2. Staff behavior. Were the employees polite and helpful? 3. Speed and convenience. Was the service fast and easy? 4. Price. Was the service worth the money? 5. Cleanliness and environment. Was the place neat and comfortable? 6. Communication. Was the company clear and honest? Example. Imagine you go to a mobile repair shop. If the staff is polite, repairs are fast, and the phone works well, you feel good positive perception. If staff is rude, delays are long, or the repair fails, negative perception. Even if the repair was technically okay, rude behavior can spoil the overall feeling. Why is customer perception important? It affects customer satisfaction. Influences whether a customer will return or leave. Impacts word of mouth and reviews. Helps build a positive brand image. Good perception is equal to more trust and loyalty. Bad perception is equal to complaints and lost business. Easy trick to remember. Perception is equal to experience plus emotion. If both are good, customer is happy. If any one is bad, perception becomes negative. Conclusion. Businesses must focus on giving a great experience, behaving politely, and meeting expectations. A positive perception helps in growing the business and keeping customers loyal for the long term. Next important long question is: 5 strategies for influencing customer perception. What does it mean? Influencing customer perception means taking actions to make sure customers think positively about your service. It's about creating a good image in the minds of customers through smart strategies. Why is it important? If customers feel good about your service, they will come again. Tell others about you. Trust your brand more. Stay loyal. So, companies must use smart ways to shape the customer's thinking and experience. Key strategies. 1. Train staff well. Polite, helpful, and knowledgeable staff create a positive impression. Example, a friendly hotel receptionist makes guests feel welcome. 2. Provide consistent quality. Deliver the same level of quality every time. This builds trust and reliability. 3. Use clear communication. Send messages, emails in simple, honest language. Explain services, offers, or changes clearly. 4. Handle complaints quickly. A quick and helpful response can turn a negative into a positive. Example, Swiggy quickly refunds for late delivery, improving image. 5. Create a strong brand image. Use good design, logo, colors, and advertising to make your brand look trustworthy. Example, Amul is seen as a caring, family-friendly brand. 6. Personalize the service. Remember customer names or preferences. This makes customers feel special and valued. Example, imagine you shop at an online store. The website is easy to use. Product comes on time. Packing is neat. Customer care is helpful. You now have a positive perception of the store and may shop again. Easy trick to remember. Train, deliver, communicate, respond, impress, personalize. TDCRIP. Conclusion. By following these simple strategies, companies can win hearts and minds of customers, turning normal users into loyal fans.